Today I will be showing you how to use EasyBib add-on. First thing, just make sure it's on your computer. Click this app button up here. Go to Web Store. From here, you can type in EasyBib to search. It's right here. It'll say add to Chrome, which I have already done. Just make sure it's onto your computer. Once you have that, you can use it. So when I'm doing any kind of research paper, obviously as you get older, it's important that you start to use references. This is an easy way to do it without thinking too much. It does it for you. You actually want to use EasyWeb. So let's say I'm doing research on a tiger, and I noticed that the tiger is the largest cat species. So that's the tiger is the largest cat species. Okay. Now obviously I need to cite that. Instead of going through and using EasyBib or the other sites website, you can actually use just an add-on. So I go to my add-on and I go to manage my bibliography. And then I'll get this nice thing on the side right here. From here, if it's a website, which most of the time is what you're going to use, all you have to do is copy and paste that website and search for it, and there it is. And you can select it. That's the one I used. And then I can add this to my bibliography. I can add this to my document. And what it'll do is just put it right there. It has your title. It has everything you need. You can change it if you need to. It's up to you. Another little nice thing about this is you actually have the option to use any different type of citation, like APA, MLA, Chicago. Usually those are about the only ones you're going to probably use. But if I need to switch it to APA, I can easily do that. And then it'll give me the appropriate one for APA. And as you're doing it, for example, let's say I look up another thing about tigers. Basic facts. It's very easy. I find a site, I find a piece of information I really like about this site, and I want to use it in my paper. I mean, I can just, from here, tigers occupy a variety of habitats from tropical forest, evergreen forest, woodlands, and stuff like that. I can copy this link, put it in there. And there it is. Select, add to bibliography, and there's my next one. So that's how you use EasyBib.